Hi y'all, welcome back to Bake Sip Chat. I'm Kim.
I'm Carolyn. Today we're going to make something we call B-side cookies. Your chocolate chip cookie is your A-game cookie. Everyone loves chocolate chip cookies. These are just more amped up. We've got peanut butter, we've got M&Ms, we've got chocolate chips, we got oatmeal, we got all the things. So it's going to be not a monster cookie because we have flour, but it's going to be a complete mashup of a lot of things.
Yeah.
And they are
So excited
delicious.
about this.
Yep, me too. We are going to add 1.5 cups of butter softened into the mixer.
Yep.
So it's 1.5 sticks essentially.
Got it.
There you go. Next we're gonna add in our sugar. All right, so in goes the 1/2 cup of white sugar. There you go. And then we have 1 cup of really packed brown sugar. You can use light or dark, whatever you've got on hand. And we are gonna cream these guys together. Don't break anything, Kim. All right.
Oh, look at that.
Takes a minute, let them
I
get
love it.
friendly, and then whip them into shape. Cheers.
Ooh, it's looking lovely.
Coming together. All right, so now that that's going, we're gonna add in our eggs, one at a time.
All right.
See if you can do it better than me.
I think I'm doing it.
Good job.
1.
Go, girly, go.
2.
Good job.
Looking a little sloppy in there.
I know. It looks a little wet.
Looks a little
That's-
ugly.
It's gonna get thick in a minute.
It's going. All right. Last egg.
The oats are for.
Yes.
Them all in there.
Another vanilla.
Yep. We're gonna do 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Okay.
Amp it up.
1,
It's a big one.
2.
Yeah, buddy.
Uno, dos.
Not trace. Just toast. We're gonna turn it up a little bit. Make sure everybody gets happy.
Aw, our mix does look happy.
It does look happy.
Like Bob Ross's happy trees.
Oh, happy little tree.
Oh, our happy little mix.
Alright, we're gonna stop it there. And we'll get our dry ingredients. Next, we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. It is extra creamy and smooth. Funk.
Going
We're
in.
gonna put it on in. Ooh.
We might need
It takes
another spoon.
it takes a little work to get this in there. Thank you, dear. Get that all in there. It's better to add it now when it's all liquidy, so it really combines extra nice. You get all the flour in there, and it gets a little rough to see if it's all been combined. Thank you. So we're gonna turn it on and let it go. Smells so good. You add peanut butter to everything.
Peanut butter and butter. Combination.
Peanut butter.
We have some butter extract.
We should. There's not enough butter anywhere. Alright, really get that guy in there. I think that looks pretty well combined.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nicely incorporated.
Thank you.
Nice and creamy.
Nice and creamy. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. We have 1 teaspoon of baking soda
Yes.
and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder.
Going in.
So we're gonna add them on in. Sprinkle, sprinkle. 1 and 2. And we're gonna start letting those get in there. Very good. And then ever so slowly, we're gonna add in our 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Start sprinkling them in. It takes a little bit of time because it is a lot of flour, but it looks pretty fast, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit so we get our sides to come in. Oh, maybe I'll turn it up. The button is stronger than my finger.
And if you're not making a mess, there's a problem.
I know.
Because you're gonna make a mess with this recipe.
Yep. And if I'm cooking, you're gonna make a mess no matter what. Because I like to throw things everywhere.
Carolyn's in charge. She's making a mess.
It's what I do.
All right.
Okay. That looks
Should we
really good.
Let's do our pinch of salt.
Just a little pinch.
Little pinch of salt.
There we go. And now we're gonna add in 2 cups of
Old-fashioned.
oats. Sorry, I wanted to say quick oats, that wasn't it. Old-fashioned oats are so much better.
Yes.
It's debatable, but that's what we,
Yes.
that's how we roll. That's how we roll, old-fashioned oats. Okay, we're gonna add those in a little bit. It doesn't get too thick too fast.
Looking good, my friend.
Almost there. In.
I love oatmeal and cookies. I don't know about you.
I love it. You know who doesn't like it? My husband.
Oh, jeez. We gotta work on him.
I know, he draws the line when I add oats.
We gotta work on you, Mr. B.
That's all right, there's more for me. All right.
That's looking awesome.
Looking perfect. We're gonna stop it there. Oh, that looks good and smells even better. So now we're gonna add in our chocolate chips. We have a ½ cup of semi-sweet and a ½ cup of milk chocolate. Use whatever you got on hand, they're all good. And then we have a heaping cup of M&Ms because you measure M&Ms with your heart, not with a measuring spoon. So decide how much you want. Yep.
Happy M&Ms.
So we're gonna pour these in by hand because if you do it with the mixer, it will get too thick and it will get too hard to stir.
Oh, it's so pretty.
All right, so start mixing these in so you get a little bit of, oh my goodness, it is a workout for you, kids.
Mm-hmm.
All right, in it goes. Now we've got
Okay.
chips.
1 cup of chips going in.
Everybody in the pool. Just mix them around until they're all incorporated.
Would you like me to take over?
I think I would.
Okay. I'll give it a stir here because we gotta get them.
I turned the mixer on, so
Yeah.
that was
your part.
my part. You have fresh arms.
Yeah. Arr. Dang.
And you're taller, so you
nabbit.
have more leverage.
Wow.
Whoever's tallest in your house, this is
We
their
will
job.
never take you for granted, KitchenAid mixer.
No.
Never. Okay.
That looks pretty darn good.
I think we're sitting pretty.
I think we are ready to scoop. Now we're going to scoop out our cookies onto a silicone baking mat, or if you have parchment paper, that works great. If you have neither of those, just spray it with a little bit of spray so they don't stick.
Yep.
All right, so we're going to scoop 6 out onto a tray because they spread out a lot when they cook, so you don't want it too many too close together. You'll just have one giant cookie. Nobody wants that.
No.
Unless you want that,
Yeah.
then do that. But we're gonna start
Follow
scooping.
the rules.
Here we go. Ready?
Ready? Wait, let's cheers.
Cheers! Cheers! Now that we're all scooped, we're gonna put these into a 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes, depending on your oven, until they're golden brown on the edges. You don't wanna overbake them.
No, you
So-
do not want to overbake them.
No.
Golden brown.
Golden brown. Here we go.
Going in the oven.
gonna hand you mine.
I'll do the middle rack.
You're there.
We'll put yours on the top. And then we're gonna set the timer for, we'll start out with 10 minutes.
Yeah. You can always add more. Perfect.
Yeah.
Here we go. Bake away, cookies.
All right, cookies are ready to take out.
Get them out of there.
Look at that, slightly browned on the edges.
Brown on the edges. They're gonna cool, and they're gonna be perfect.
Perfecto. That is perfection right there. With the tall glass of milk.
Whole glass of milk, yo.
So pretty. Carolyn, Cookie Monster wants a monster cookie. Or I
You
mean,
mean B-side cookie.
B-side cookie. Nom 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 nom.
We're gonna get these onto a wire rack to cool them.
We gotta try these cookies, y'all.
Look at that.
Oh, break. Look at how soft.
That is a nice, soft and chewy cookie.
That.
And that's
Oh,
gonna
and
be
it
full of
just
good stuff.
falls apart. That means we did a good job. Going in. Going in.
That is delicious and a half.
You taste everything in here.
Mm-hmm.
The oatmeal.
It's a nice little crunch from the M&Ms, nice smooth chocolate from your chips, and nothing but peanut butter.
You guys, you gotta do this.
It's so good. Thanks, buddy.
Thanks to these awesome, delicious B-side cookies.
B-side cookies all the way.
What up?
We'll see you next time. Now we're gonna add in a half of cup. A half of a.
I tell you.
Yes, dear.
This is what happens when you have a ugly granite countertop like we do.
Your countertop is beautiful.
Oh shit, sorry.
Why are you trying to confuse me? Now we're going to scoop these out onto a silicone pad. A who? What? Silicone pad? Don't say that. It's a silicone mat.